Okay, so calculate the amount in grams of NaF that will be made from 1.75 moles of HF. So this is going to be my start. All right, so first of all, let's use our map. So I'm starting with this unit of moles. So let me go over to my starting area, and here's moles. Just circle the start line, and we got to get to the finish line. What are we trying to get to? Grams is what we're trying to get to. So grams. So that's the unit of mass. We're trying to get to right here. Great. That means we're going to have to come across, do this step. Now get us here. Then we have to do this step, and then we'll be good. So, first, guns. Givens. 1.75 moles HF. Great. Guns under 1. Perfect. Now all I'm doing is I'm writing exactly what it's telling me to do. So here it's telling me put the thing that I started with on the bottom, right, my moles of X. That's going to be moles HF. And put the thing I'm looking for on the top. Mole what is it I'm looking for? NaF. Great. It tells me the numbers to put in here. It says, well, take the number that's in the balanced chemical equation and put them in there. So let's find NaF. I got a 2 in front, so I'll put a 2 there. HF, got an 8, so I'll put an 8 there. Alrighty, so here I am. I've moved over. Oops, sorry, that's not where I am. That's the step I just did, and now here I am. Now you have to go this way. Grams are a little annoying because anytime you see grams, you have to use your periodic table. So let me put grams of the thing of my Y, or the thing I'm looking for. If you ever get confused, like, oh crap, I can't remember, what am I looking for? Your unit should be canceling out as you go. Now I'm like, okay, cool. So I know I'm dealing with NaF right now. And I'm going to put this at the bottom so those units will cancel out. Mole, NaF. What does it tell me to put in there in the bottom? It tells me to put the number 1, so I will. Grams, this is where I'm actually going to have to use my periodic table. So Na and F. Now, this can be confusing because our balanced chemical equation says 2 of them. But really all we're paying attention to is how many is in 1 Na and 1 F. So let me put my periodic table. It obviously. Back. Scroll. Here we go. Alright, so we have Na 22.99 and F 18.998. I'm going to do my best to remember those. 22.99. Okay, so Na. Totally forgot. 22.99. 22.99. 99. What was the other one? F is 18.998. 18.998. Great, now I gotta add those together. 22.99. Clear everything. 22.99 plus 18.998. That's going to give me a total mass. So I know that in 1 mole of NaF, I'm going to have this many grams. 41.998. 41.998. Great. Alright, these units will cancel. Now let's solve this thing. So I have to do 1.75 times 2 times 41.998. divided by the entire bottom. So first, let's get the top part. So 41 times this 2 right here, other side, times 1.75. I'm gonna write that number down. I'm gonna be lazy too. It's just less for me to remember going back and forth. I'm going to round it. So 146.96. 146.96. Just box that off. 6.96. Now let's see what I get in the bottom. Well, I know it's going to be 8 because 1 times 8 times 1 is 8. So now let's see what 146.96 divided by 8 is. That gives me an answer of 18.3. I'm going to round it to the hundredths place. 18.37. So 18.37 is going to be my answer, but what's my unit? Well, what's left? The only thing left that hasn't canceled out is grams of NaOH.